The golden-collared mannequin starts by clearing his dance floor. A female arrives and he starts his routine rocketing from one perch to another. Finally, he performs his signature move. The backflip with twist. Perfection. The red-capped mannequin has a very different act. It's a kind of slither. With wing snaps. But it doesn't seem to be working. She's seen enough. The most complex routine is that developed by the blue mannequin. The lead male is supported by 3 junior dancers. They practice together almost every day. During rehearsals, a young male in juvenile plumage stands in for the female. The dance has to be perfectly synchronized. With the lead male happy, they're ready to present their dance to a female. In a carousel of movements, each male takes his turn at the front. The lead male performs the final move. Have they done enough? What's her decision? It's a yes! A great team effort.